How to remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Gmail. Make sure you are logged in into your account where your Google Photos are stored. Click on this profile icon. Now simply click on Manage your Google account right over here. Once you're in this page, head over to Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the option of Google Photos. Click on it. Scroll down and you'll get to see Photos. You can click on it and delete it manually. Or if you click on Delete a Service, then it will land you on this page. Here, if the Google Photos option is available to you, then all you gotta do is click on this trash icon and then click on Delete. After that, all the photos will be deleted all at once, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.